Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Welcome to another vlog. If you guys missed the last video, I did a room tour of the resort that we're staying at. So, you know, we have like a whole suite of whatever. He's sleeping in the room, so I have the doors closed back there so I wouldn't wake him up. But I figured I'd bring you guys along my whole day. Last night, we ended up going to a grocery store just to pick up like water, snacks, fruit, things like that, so we could just put it in our fridge. But it's early morning. I try to catch the sunset, but I was like, it took a while for me to get up. But one of my main questions that I've been getting, because I posted a picture on Instagram, was how did I fit 8 days of clothing in this one little bag? So I'm gonna show you guys everything I packed for 8 days. I'm so excited to show you guys that, but we also rented a cabana and I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys can see what we do. It's gonna be a really chill, relaxing day. The cabana is rented out from like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. the whole day, or 7 p.m. I don't know. It's ours for the day, and we have to spend like $100 in food or whatever, but it's just 2 of us. So we're probably, you know, have a good moment, have a good time, have good vibes. But one of the cool things about coming here is that they surprised us with like free gifts. So we got 2 free drinks, 2 Starbucks drinks, chocolate covered strawberries, champagne. Like, they hooked a girl up. But let's go into this suitcase tour because people are like, what the heck? How are you doing that? So I didn't want to check a bag because everything that's been happening with the airlines scare me. Like, people's flights have been canceled, people have been losing their luggage, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, it's not gonna be me. It's not gonna be me at all. So let me set you guys down. So majority of the stuff is still in this bag. Oh my God, it's so heavy. With exception to these pairs of shoes, because this actually was in there, my pajama bottoms, and 1 pair of underwear. Everything else was packed in this bag. So I'm excited to do this little suitcase tour because I know that some people are traveling on a budget and you don't want to have to pay, like, I'm pretty sure, because I didn't check in earlier, it was like $45 to check in a bag on JetBlue. Y'all, absolutely not. So let me show you guys everything I packed here. This is like a Kipling roller suitcase book bag. So it has like this feature on here, but it also has the straps. I tend to use the straps a lot because if they run out of overhead space, or if they say like, hey, like, does anybody want to check their bag? If I have it on my back, they usually don't bother me and I can typically find space. But if you're on like the last boarding letter, y'all, when I was on the plane, there was no overhead space. Like, I had to help some people out. On the very top of the suitcase, like the literal top, I had these shoes. They're just black heels that I was gonna bring like my rose gold one, but I knew that if I brought black that I could wear them for multiple outfits. So I also had this pajama set in there that's really thin. It has shorts and a matching shirt, so that was in there. And I have these shoes, which are sandals. They're really cute. And I actually brought a pair of sneakers that I wore in the airport, so that way I didn't have to pack it. So if you have big clunky shoes, like, you should probably wear those to the airport so you don't have to worry about packing them. And then I also brought Adidas slides with me. I don't know where they are, but I put that in my personal bag, so that doesn't count. My personal bag is the size of like a large size purse, which I also put my laptop in, my books in, makeup in. Like, I went crazy. Maybe I'll show you that too. This was my personal bag and it fits right underneath the airplane seat. I got this bag from DSW, I think. So first things first, I've already wore these shorts because I've been here for a couple of days, but I brought these pair of shorts, and I also brought these pair of shorts. It's gonna be hot here, so I knew that I wasn't gonna need like long pants or anything. Really, really cute. They're basically the same, one with rips, one without rips. And then I brought a couple of t-shirts that I can mismatch with the shorts. So I already wore this bodysuit that I got from Amazon. It's really thin, easy to roll up, and you know, you could fit quite a few short shirts if they're like this small. So we were good with that. And to also mismatch with the shorts, I got this basic shirt from H&M rolled up in here, which is really cute. And then I have a yellow version of it as well. Look at this. Oh, I should be recording this on my phone too. It's okay. I'll do it after. So this right here alone is 3 outfits. 3. This is 3 different days because I could wear jean shorts more than once. Okay, cool. What I wore to the airport was a bodysuit. I actually packed this in after the fact. This bodysuit is from Fabletics, and what I did was I have a sweatshirt, which I have no idea where it is right now, but I have a sweatshirt that I wore on top of this bodysuit to keep me warm. So that way I could have a sweater with me while I'm here. Typically I do like a jean jacket, but because I'm in Arizona and I knew it was gonna be really, really hot, I knew I didn't really need a jean jacket or anything like that. So yeah, that is what I wore to the airport. That wasn't originally in the bag. I have this dress because we're going out for my boyfriend's birthday. It's really thin. All I had to do was, you know, roll it up. Still has the tag on it and everything. Thank you, Reb Dolls. They gifted this dress to me, but it gets really small. We have another bodysuit that's pretty similar to the black bodysuit that I'm gonna wear to the Grand Canyon. And if it's chilly, that's where the sweatshirt comes in. I'm gonna wear the sweatshirt again at the Grand Canyon. If not, I'll just wear the bodysuit with my sneakers. We have this I'm wearing to Sunday dinner with my Mima. This was probably the hardest thing to pack because it's pretty thick and heavy, but it's like a short romper situation. And I just didn't want to like look inappropriate for my Mima, so I went ham. I was like, I need to make sure I'm bringing appropriate clothes. So far we're at 3, 4, 5 outfits already. 5 outfits. All right. I have this really inappropriate outfit that I don't think my boyfriend's gonna let me wear, but these are the bottoms, and then this is the matching top. It's very small. It's very small, but I figure if we're going out to eat to like a Mexican restaurant or something like that, it's warm, it's cute, it's sexy. I'm excited for it. I was gonna put a different matching set in there, but I figured let me do something I haven't worn, but there's a chance that I might not wear that at all. All right, then we have another plain black bodysuit that I can wear that's on the more casual side. You see that? So how many outfits is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 outfits so far. And then I also brought an extra pair of shorts right here. Now, this is the tee, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is the same outfit I wore on the way to Phoenix is the same outfit I'm gonna wear going home. So the trick is that if you don't have a washing machine or anything like that, you could technically hand wash the bodysuit. Hand wash the bodysuit, go ahead and let it air dry, and then by the time you're leaving, it should be dry and ready to go. You're going straight home anyway. It doesn't have to be like perfect, but I knew that I had such a very small bag and it was very limited. Or what you could do is I brought an additional bathing suit. You don't have to bring 2 bathing suits. Instead of that, you could bring an additional shirt or a different airport outfit, whatever makes it work for you. But this is a yellow bathing suit that I brought that I thought was really, really cute. And I also have this bikini. Everything has tags on it. These are the bikini bottoms, and then this is a long sleeve shirt bikini top. I actually got this from Cupshe like, I don't know, like 3 years ago or something like that. We have 2 bras, one with straps, which is really thin, and one without straps, which is also really thin. The dress that I'm wearing has one shoulder off, so I'm gonna just wear this bandeau bra, or I won't wear a bra at all. I'm not a big fan of wearing bras anyway. All right, so I brought 3 pairs of socks. I only brought 3 pairs of socks because I knew that I was gonna be wearing sneakers majority of the time. They're Nike socks. I knew I was gonna wear them to the airport, so I brought a pair of socks to the airport. I'm gonna wear these to the Grand Canyon, and then I'll probably wear the other ones going back home. So you only need 3 pairs of socks. So another thing that's in the bag, I know it's crazy. I literally packed my whole life in here. I have my period. It's my time of the month, girl. So I had to make adjustments because I don't use tampons and pads. I use period panties. And the thing is that I knew that I wasn't gonna be able to bring the amount of period panties that I would need for my time of the month. So I went to the store and I got a Diva cup. The Diva cup is a menstrual cup that I'm wearing right now, and you can wear it for 12 hours. You're able to swim in it. You don't have to do any adjustments with it. It just stays in and you dump it when you're done with it. So, but I also brought additional panties as well, just in case. So I brought 1 sleeper period panty. Oh my God, I have so much stuff. 2 sleeper panties. All right, so I brought 4 overnight period panties, and I put it in the side pouch here. And then I brought 2, where are they? 2 regular period panties that are for like light days or just regular days. And then I brought 4 pair. I know there's only 3 pair here, but one is air drying outside on the porch because I like to make sure my panties are cleanish before I put them back in my bag. But I brought 4 pair of regular underwears, and that all fit in both side pouches. Mic drop, right? I know. And then lastly, we have here all my toiletries. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so inside this bag is already a quart size place to put all your liquids. You see that? I have 2 face moisturizers, lip gloss, primer, foundation, lip gloss, concealer, all that stuff. Makeup brushes are down here. I didn't bring as many makeup brushes as I would like, but makeup brushes, setting powder. We have this eyeshadow palette. I actually brought 2 eyeshadow palettes, and I'll show you that in a second. And then a little travel size perfume. So I only got to bring 1 perfume with me. TSA is not as strict as they used to be, so I was able to bring a little bit more. So inside my personal bag here, I have another makeup bag that has like any additional makeup that I needed. It has my deodorant, lip gloss, another makeup palette, Makeup by Mario, my bronzer, like just the stuff that I wanted to bring, but I put it in a separate bag so it wouldn't like make TSA be like, what's going on? Why do you have so much stuff? And then in this bag, I had my laptop in here, my camera. I actually had an additional purse, like a travel purse. Let me see if I can find it. This purse inside this purse, so I would have another purse. I'm reading this book, Power of Now, my laptop charger, any of the medicine that I would need, sunglasses. Like, I did my big one, y'all, with this. But yeah, also my AirPods, any jewelry, all that went into this bag. When I tell you I'm an amazing packer, I am an amazing freaking packer, okay? So that's basically it for like my bag tour. I do a pretty good job. I think on like my TikTok, I'm gonna do this video again, but this time I'm gonna show the packing process so that way they can see how we get all this stuff in. But y'all, like, comment below what you guys think. You think I did a good job with my packing? And it's funny because the way I protected my camera is I put the camera in here, so that way I don't have to worry about it messing up or anything like that. I also have like a clip for my phone, which I don't know where I put that actually. But for the tripod that I have, I brought like an additional phone thing. It might actually be in this pouch. Nope, that's the battery. Yeah, here. So when I'm out and about, I'll usually like just carry this bag or whatever. So yeah, so that's how I packed 8 days of clothes in one carry-on bag. Part of me feels like I should make this a separate video, but I'll just make it a vlog. It's not a big deal. But we're gonna go ahead and I already brushed my teeth. I already took a shower and put my pajamas back on because I took a shower before I went to bed. And I'm gonna like eat some snacks or whatever because like I said, he's still sleeping and he wants to sleep in. I'm a morning person. I'm ready to go. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wear this bathing suit. I'm gonna leave it out and see which one my boyfriend wants me to wear because he's really been like, I don't want you showing your boobs too much these days. And I'm like, he don't care, but he's like, oh my God, like I don't want everybody to see everything. I'm like, okay, I got it. I got you. All right, so like I said, we're going to the Cabana today, and then tomorrow we're actually going to like the breakfast spot, and then we're going to their dinner spot. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell because you're gonna see the entire trip for the most part. And it's so cool because this hotel is kind of old school. It's not like super modern, so it's a different aesthetic, which I love. All right, so I'll catch up with you guys when he wakes up and we order room service or whatever. We might not even order room service. We have like banana bread and stuff like that, champagne or whatever. So I'll see you guys in a bit.